Dear students, we are living in a time of crisis. The entire humanity is affected by this crisis. The pandemic under which we are suffering has become a global and universal phenomenon. No nation is exempted from its devastating effects. Who are the people most affected from this crisis? I think they are you, the students. You have lost one full academic year and experienced uncertainty regarding the current academic year. Dear students, you really experience a great challenge. How do you face this challenge to use time fruitfully and make your life productive in terms of acquiring knowledge? Let me ask directly, do you experience hunger for knowledge? Do you really thirst for knowledge? If you do, I have some proposals for you. Please do not be too much bothered about your lessons, your syllabus, and your daily schedule. You may get online lectures. Make the best use of them. But if you want to expand your knowledge, you have many other ways. Just take note of the following tips. First, make Google your friend. Most of you definitely know how to handle computer and the Google. Have you ever thought that Google is a greatest source of knowledge available at the tip of your fingers? Just go to Google every day and type the information you want. Mention the subject you want to study, class in which you are, and particular topic. You get information in abundance. Second, make TV your guide. Do you possess a TV at home? Lessen its use as a tool for recreation and transform it as a tool for education. Switch to those programs which have educational and academic contents. You will expand the horizon of your knowledge. Third, make daily newspaper and weekly magazines your life partners. Those students who are lucky to have daily newspaper or some weekly magazines like Sudha, Taranga, Teenager, Wisdom can make a habit of reading them regularly. There will be some articles which have educational and academic content. Read them without fail. Consider all these as your personal sources of enhancing your knowledge. Utilize them to the best of your ability, and you will be not only increasing your knowledge, but also you will become a source of current information to your friends. God bless you all.